this video, I'll show you how you can check how many pentakills in League of Legends. Now there's this website called Year in LoL, but keep in mind this will only show for the past year, so this is 2024 right now, so it will show for 2023. Then when we hit 2025, it will show for 2024, since 2024 is not over yet. So it's going to show the full past year. So let's get into it. You simply type in your username and your tagline and press right here. Now let's go in here. As you can see, this is how many games I had. I can scroll down, and as you can see, I only play support. So when we come right here, it will show I only had 130 double kills, 6 triple, 1 quadra, and 1 penta. And obviously this is because I play support, so I don't get these very often. But in here you'll be able to see your stats, and it also showed who I got the pentakill with, and it was a Vex, so probably this was a mid game instead of support. And that's basically how you can check it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.